Hello student, I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Here we discuss about 2,4 pentane dione, and it is having different enolic form, and we have to select which is more stable and why. See, this is 2,4 pentane dione. This is the structure CH3, C double bond O, CH2 methylene group, C double bond O, CH3. These methyl groups are having, each are having 3 alpha hydrogen. This is having 3 alpha, this is having 3 alpha H hydrogen. And here CH2, which is in between 2 electron withdrawing group, carbonyl group, CO group, CO group. This is highly active methylene group, highly acidic alpha hydrogen as compared to both terminal methyl group. Now these four structures you write down each and everything. You don't think that you can skip it. Please don't do that. Otherwise, if they will give you different question, you will not find out correct answer. So CH2 double bond CHOS CH2 COCH3 means they lose from alpha hydrogen, they removed from here. Okay, instead of methylene group, they have removed hydrogen from here. So this is not most stable. They are asking most stable. So this is less stable. More stable, we have to see which is there. Now here it is diene. See here I had written cumulene diene diol. It is highly unstable. Why? Because B is having cumulated diene as well as diol, so highly, very less stability is there. Now this is 4 carbon, so this is out. Only D is correct option. Why it is so? Here see alpha hydrogen from this methylene group is lost. This methylene group is alpha hydrogen is lost. So we will get 6 member ring. See, this is having a C double bond O, OH. This is enol. This is enol and CCH3. Now we will see that this carbon, this oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen, double bonded carbon and carbon. So there will be conjugation within the ring. Okay, 6 member ring, there is conjugation, double bond, single bond, double bond, lone pairs, and then the hydrogen bonding here, double bond, single bond, lone pair. So there all these are in conjugation with each other. That is why this is highly stable benzene ring. Secondly, highly substituted enol, because this double bond forming enol. So this is OH. So here it is highly substituted. There is CH3, there is this group. So it is highly substituted enol. It is having conjugation within this also, C double bond C. So extended conjugation will be there. So enol is, and third, in intramolecular hydrogen bonding also occur between this hydroxyl group, hydrogen of hydroxyl group, and carbonyl oxygen of carbonyl carbon. So there will be hydrogen bonding. Dot is hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So all these factor stabilizes this